As someone who has experienced the discomfort and pain of menstrual cramps, I know firsthand how challenging it can be to find relief. The monthly occurrence of menstrual cramps can be debilitating, causing a range of physical and emotional symptoms. It can leave one feeling helpless and frustrated, wishing for a solution to alleviate this discomfort. However, the good news is that there are natural remedies available that may help alleviate menstrual cramps. By adding some of these remedies into your routine, you may be able to find relief and take control of your menstrual cycle. Here are some natural remedies that you may use to alleviate menstrual cramps. Essential oils. Some essential oils like lavender, clary sage, and cinnamon can help reduce menstrual cramps when used in aromatherapy or diluted and applied topically. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce menstrual cramps. Exercise. Regular exercise can help reduce menstrual cramps by increasing blood flow and reducing stress. Exercise. Gentle exercise like walking, yoga, or stretching can help increase blood flow and reduce menstrual cramps. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise per day, such as walking, jogging, or cycling. Heat therapy. Applying heat to the lower abdomen can help relax the muscles and reduce menstrual cramps. You can use a heating pad, hot water bottle, or take a warm bath. Massage. Massaging the lower abdomen and lower back can help relax the muscles and reduce menstrual cramps. Ginger tea. Drinking ginger tea can help reduce inflammation and reduce menstrual cramps. You can make ginger tea by boiling fresh ginger roots in water and adding honey or lemon juice to taste. Magnesium supplements. Magnesium can help relax muscles and reduce menstrual cramps. You can take magnesium supplements or increase your intake of magnesium-rich foods like spinach, almonds, avocado, chamomile. Drinking chamomile tea can help reduce inflammation and relax the muscles, which can help reduce menstrual cramps. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, as well as nuts and seeds, can help reduce inflammation and may help alleviate menstrual cramps. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medicine practice that involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body. It helps reduce menstrual cramps by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that may help reduce menstrual cramps. You can increase your intake of vitamin E by eating foods like almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds, or take a vitamin E supplement. Black cohosh. Black cohosh is a herbal supplement that has been used traditionally to alleviate menstrual cramps. However, it may interact with certain medications, so it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before using it. Valerian root. Valerian root is a herbal supplement that may help reduce menstrual cramps by acting as a muscle relaxant. It can be taken in supplement form or as a tea. Fennel. Fennel seed has antispasmodic properties and may help reduce menstrual cramps. You can chew on fennel seeds or drink fennel tea to help relieve symptoms. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that may help reduce menstrual cramps. Add cinnamon to your food or drink cinnamon tea to help alleviate symptoms. Peppermint. Peppermint has antispasmodic properties and may help reduce menstrual cramps. You can drink peppermint tea or use peppermint oil topically to help relieve symptoms. Evening Primrose Oil. Evening Primrose Oil contains an omega-6 fatty acid, which may help reduce inflammation and alleviate menstrual cramps. You can take Evening Primrose Oil in supplement form. Magnesium Oil. Magnesium oil is a topical solution that can be applied to the skin to help reduce menstrual cramps. Magnesium oil is absorbed through the skin and can help relax the muscles and reduce inflammation. Vitamin D. Vitamin D's deficiency has been linked to menstrual cramps. Increasing your intake of vitamin D through sun exposure, food, or supplements may help reduce symptoms. Dandelion growth has been traditionally used to reduce inflammation and reduce menstrual cramps. You can drink dandelion root tea or take it in supplement form. Licorice root. Licorice root has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce menstrual cramps. You can drink licorice root tea or take it in supplement form. Vitex Chasteberry. Vitex is a herbal supplement that may help reduce menstrual cramps by balancing hormones. Epsom salt bath. Soaking in an Epsom salt bath may help reduce menstrual cramps by relaxing the muscles and reducing inflammation. Add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt to warm bath water and soak for at least 20 minutes. Wild yam. Wild yam contains a compound called deoxygenate, which may help reduce menstrual cramps. You can take wild yam in supplement form. Catnip tea. Catnip tea has antispasmodic properties and may help reduce menstrual cramps. You can drink catnip tea or use catnip essential oil topically to help relieve symptoms. Red raspberry leaf tea. Red raspberry leaf tea may help reduce menstrual cramps by toning the uterus and reducing inflammation. You can drink red raspberry leaf tea throughout your menstrual cycle to help alleviate symptoms. Remember, while natural remedies can be helpful, they may not be suitable for everybody. It's important to talk to your healthcare provider before trying any new natural remedies, especially if you have a history of medical conditions or are taking any medications.